Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Tuesday, October 3rd. Time is around 6:15 GMT, and we will have a look at the FTSE futures on the OneLab platform. So we are still working here on this corrective move. As you could see, I took off my secondary scenario, like here the A, B, C. We violated here this wave 4 area. So yeah, the ABC is no longer the case. We will stick now with this WXY pattern. Excuse me. And yeah, so the wave W played out here as an A B C structure, and so now we are looking here at this wave X. We are approaching this wave X area. If we take the length of the wave W, then we know that the wave X should go into the area between the zero point 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. So yeah, we had some kind of reaction here from this level, or we are reacting. Let's see what exactly will happen. But I wouldn't consider this wave X here as completed. I think so. This wave X is unfolding as another WXY structure, and then I would say, like, if we know that this is the wave W, this is the wave X here, then I believe this here becomes our target. The area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension is the area for our wave Y. We are quite close. We didn't reach it yet, but what's more important, I think, is if we look here at the lower time frame, like at the 1 hour, then yeah, this Y leg looks incomplete. So I think like the the wave W played out as another WXY. Then here the wave X, we had the three swings like an ABC, corrective move up, and so now I would say like this here is our wave A. And then yeah, we should get some kind of wave B followed by a wave C down. I do not really see, like, this looks impulsive in my opinion, especially if we go to the 15 minute here. 1 2 3 4 5, we end with divergence. This looks like an impulse, so I would count this as a wave A, and then it means we need a wave B up followed by a wave C down. So now like, okay, this is micro counting, but I would expect now that we go back into this area here between the zero point 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. And then from here we can get another push down here, another wave C into this area. That would be my main expectation. Like, yeah, you could say, like, is this your ABC? Like A, B, C, and then we can be finished here. Yeah, could be, but it does not look really like, if you consider this wave W in length, and then we always have this, and then we have this short wave Y. This does not really look proportional if you compare the two legs. So I would expect, yeah, ABC, like I told you. However, we reached the wave X area, could be complete, but in my primary scenario, I would say that yeah, a B leg and a C leg should follow. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.